Hi everyone, this is Tabish Ahmed from Destiny Decom Private Limited. Today we are going to learn SQL commands using SQL Server 2005. Basically, SQL Server 2005 is a Microsoft RDBMS product as like Oracle Corporation. Oracle Corporation has given many RDBMS softwares like Oracle 8i, Oracle 9i, Oracle 10g, Oracle 11i, and many more. Similarly, Microsoft also has given some the RDBMS softwares like MS Access, MySQL, SQL Server 2005, 2008, R2, 2008 itself. There are also database software like DB2 Informatica, which is used by different companies for different purposes. So today we are going to learn SQL commands, a very good SQL command which used in industry for making database applications. So how to start it? Go to the start button, go to the all programs. When you will install it, you will find that this is Microsoft SQL Server. Right now I am having Microsoft SQL Server 2005. It's a configuration tool, and this is an editor icon, so just click on it. This editor is known as SQL Server Management Studio Express. Here you have to give server name whenever you will install it, as well as authentication. Right now I have given Windows authentication, so I don't need username password. If at all I would install it on the SQL Server authentication, I have to give here login and password. So right now it's in Windows authentication. So click on connect. Now it's connected. Okay, this portion is known as Object Explorer, where your databases, tables, and everything will be kept here. So now you have to write the query. Just go to the new query button, click on the new query. By default you will be in the master database. How can you understand in which database you are standing? You just look here. Here it's written master database, which is available database. So right now whatever you will do, like if I'm create a table here, then it will create it on the master. If I have to create the table on the user defined database, I have to just use create database commands. Just look at how it happens. Create database, let's say example underscore dbo. This is user defined, completely user defined. Dbo is database object. I have given it because readability issue. It will increase the readability. Now select it. You can select it either on clicking this yellow line, and either you can, for executing, either you can press F5 button, or here it is execute. So executing the command, it will, this is the console prompt, console output prompt, command completed successfully. Now if I have to switch to the example DBO database, I have to fire use example underscore DBO, select an F5. Now you just see it changes. You can also change it by using this drag and drop, like this or like this. Now I have to create a table. Create table emp e underscore id int. Let's suppose that I have to make it primary key. Primary key is a key where we used it for just remove the redundancy from the database. That is, primary key gives you a facility that all the records, whatever is present in your table, that is completely unique record. So give it primary key, comma, e underscore name. This is varchar suppose 30. So varchar 30 is what? Varchar 30 is a data type that you are what you are doing here. You are defining a table name is emp with having two columns, EID and an ename. EID can store only integer type records values, or ename can store character as well as integer both. So what is the difference between varchar and a char is fixed memory. That is, for example, I have given this 30 because I am fixing right now. Ename can store maximum 30 characters. Ename column can store only 30 characters. If I have given it char 30, then also it will store only 30 character, but in this case that 30 character is fixed. So if at all I am inputting input name, I'm just giving a name, a value like Ramesh. So Ramesh is having 6 character, so 24 character will be lost if at all I have been used char 30. But in case of varchar 30, automatically dynamically it will be shrink. So you can save the memory loss. That's why we should have to go for the varchar 30. Now, suppose gender. Gender always you will generally gender is given m or f. If it is like this situation, if you are finding this situation like this in your front end application, then you have to go for the char one, because you know that m or f either will take the one byte. So now suppose there is a salary. So salary, Microsoft has given one of the best feature, that one of the data type for the currency, like money. That means if I have given just 200, then it will stored in a currency format 200.00. This is the best one of the feature. Now suppose I have to fire this command completed successfully. Now suppose that I have to just change the name of EMP table as employee. So how to change it? By using this command, sp underscore rename, sp underscore rename old table name, comma new table name. Select it, F5. It will just give you caution that you are going to change your name, that you should have to remember this. Now if you like to see the whether it has been changed or not, go to the left panel, refresh the button, go to the database, find out your database like example underscore dbo, click on the plus, then click on the tables. You will have the employee that previously its name is emp, now it's been employee. Okay, you can also have the facility like now you would like to add a new column, let's say date of birth. So you can do this by using alter command, alter table emp add column name like dob, date time is the data, is the uh, format, is the data type for date like structure, date like values, and just click on F5. Cannot find the object emp. Yeah, I'm using emp, however the here is this employee, right? So just change it into the employee. So one of the interesting thing is that whenever you are looking like the error like object, you just have to go for the employee or a database name, because these are known as object. So now command completed successfully. Now if you would like to see your columns, then select or a column values. To display the records we have to use the select command. Select star from employee. Star or asterisk is represent that it will bring all the records from the table. In this case it's an employee. Since we have not given any kind of, since we have not insert any record till now, so it's not giving kind of values, but we are having eid, ename, gender, sal, and new column what we have at is dob. Okay, now suppose now you would like to change the data type of dob into the varchar. So just control select, control C. This is again a new facility in Microsoft which is very user friendly, that you can copy paste, go back, write, control Z, control X, save, as you will do these things like in MS Office Word. The same kind of facility has been given here, so you are free to use the editor as you want, which is not present in Oracle's previous versions. So just paste here and uh, change the data type into varchar 30. Just execute it. Column name, in each table must be a unique column. In a table implies specify more than once. Sorry, I have used alter command. Since we have already used the add data dob, we cannot add again dob, so we have to just alter column name dob, and now just execute this. So you have to understand the errors by just reading it, shoot it. You do not need a mug-up, you have to just understand this. Execute command successfully. Now if you like to see whether it's been varchar 30 or not, go to the employee table. First of all, do the refresh, like refresh columns. See here, dob varchar 30 has been changed now. Now if suppose that you would like to just drop this dob column from your existing table, so used alter table name employee, drop column, drop column, column name dob, right, and just execute it. Okay, now just again refresh it and see what happens. Oh great, it's been changed, so it's been dropped. So here you just learn how we can create database, how we can create table with the primary key, how can we rename the table, we can how to alter the how to add a new column, how to just change the data type of the column, how to drop the column, how to display the records. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.